then we're heading to the beach to take some morning pictures, and I'll see you guys then. It's currently 6:57 a.m. The birds are chirping. The day has begun. Good morning. Good morning.
Where are you going?
To the beach. That's the hotel security. It's funny, they bow to you to say good morning or to greet you or to say thank you. And the thing what's cute is she has a list. She said good morning. We made it to the beach. It's currently 7:06 a.m. and we are at the Patong beach. I see like a couple sleeping on the beach. Maybe they got too drunk, maybe they didn't make it to their hotel room. They're just sleeping in their clothes on the beach. Bye bye Patong Beach. It was nice with y'all. Jamaica, Thailand, Kata Beach, Jamaica, Jamaicans too. We're here at Patong.
I wake from my slumber, I wish I could crawl.
So it's time for a change of destination. We're going from Patong to Qatar. We were staying at the Deevana Plaza Phuket Hotel. Now we're changing to the Chanalai Romantica Resort in Kata Beach. So stay tuned.
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity, going through the motions, you're turning me eternally. Turning on my own again, reaching out to hold your hand. I'm gonna be alone with you. Can I be alone with you? If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again.
Welcome to the Chanalai Romantica Resort Hotel in Qatar, Phuket. Here's the reception area. There's always lovely ladies to greet you. Hello. Then moving on to the pool area. They also have swim up rooms available. Beautiful. And by night. Then moving on to indoor and outdoor seating areas if you do book breakfast or you do have dinner there. They also have a lift available. Then you move on to my room. It looks beautiful. Let's see. First you come to the wardrobe, plenty of space, some background lighting, some backlight, safe, complimentary slippers, umbrella for us to use. We also have housekeeping service. Then we come to the bathroom, open concept bathroom, one sink here, some amenities, and a nice mirror. Lamp, what's in here? Another drawer. Oh, yeah, hairdryer. And also somewhere to sit so I can do my makeup and stuff. Here are our beach towels. Here is just some lovely details here. Bath. Then if we go in here, you have the shower. Look at the shower room. Oh my goodness. Overhead shower, normal shower. Wow. Wow, that's nice. What's that noise? Okay, let's go. Continue. The wardrobe can actually open out on the other side. So, you know, double-sided here. Same things I showed you guys here. Let's close that. There's a light. Oh, this controls the bathroom. The bathroom's separate. I'll just put that over show you. The toilet separate here. That's what it's looking like. Some towels for us. There is a mirror. Nice full-length mirror. Bedside table. There is a lamp here. A bed. Nice double bed. Well made up. There's a telephone. Another lamp on the other side. This is what it looks like on this side of the room. And if I come around here, you got the TV. Then you have a little mini bar here. So inside we have a mini bar. This is not free. You have to pay for it. Right here. Oh, you even have condoms here. Okay. So we can actually use all this here. This is actually free and complimentary. Here you can see. But the mini bar you have to pay, and the Durex you have to pay for. So yeah, then we have a little kettle here, teapot kettle. We have a little desk here, bins underneath the table, chair. What is this? I need to find out what that is. Some tissues. The restaurant, you can order room service if you wanted, and here is just some information about the hotel. Then if I move to outside, pool area there. Okay, so we have pool view.
So first on the agenda was checking out the Kata Beach.
So guys, we have stopped at a restaurant just to get some lunch by the beach in Kata. And I'm gonna get myself some sushi. Was ist das denn? Sushi und Pad Thai. When in Thailand, I've been eating Pad Thai. The first place I went to, the first restaurant was super good. I hope this is also nice. This is 160, so it's quite reasonable the price. 160 baht. So exploring the streets.
Tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had it, place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had it, place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you? Fill me up. Till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you. Say it to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time.
So we're at food market in Qatar. I had to get my coconut milk. I had to get my coconut water, sorry.
Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have it, that's on earth. I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it, that's on earth. I'll take you.
how beautiful is the sunset. The hues of the pinks and the blues look so cute. I had a back massage and now walking to the beach to see how it is and stuff. So this was a nice sunset view for us. And I don't know if you guys can see, like in the distance here, lights here, lights here, lights here, lights here, and they're roughly at the same like width of each other. I think it has something to do with the tsunami warning, or they put something in the sea just to detect it. Check it out, but tomorrow we'll be back to check it more and more. Okay?